Hi viewers, welcome back. In this session, we'll start a new topic called probability. And let me explain the basic definition of probability. Okay, probability is nothing but it's just a measure of uncertainty. Okay, so in our life, everything is uncertain, right? Except a few. Okay, so for suppose if you take the elections, we doesn't know which party will win and which party will lose, and if a match is there, we don't know which team will win and which team will lose it. Okay, but there are some certain things which will happen for sure. Okay, so suppose if I toss a coin and it will surely come down, right? And if I throw something up and it will surely come down and touch the ground, that's for sure. Okay, so for all these certain things, probability is 1. Okay, if there is any uncertain thing, then for that the probability is less than 1. Okay, so you please do remember, for certain things probability is equals to 1. Okay, so for uncertain things the probability is less than 1. Okay, so you please do remember this. And the basic formula is, when it comes to the basic formula for probability, it is the ratio of favorable outcomes to the total number of outcomes. Okay, so in the numerator there will be favorable outcomes and in the denominator total number of outcomes. Okay, so let me explain this with a small example. Okay, let me explain you this with a small and simple question. Okay, so let us solve this question. In a toss, what is the probability that it will be heads? Okay, so in a coin there will be only two sides, right? So what is the probability that it will be only one side will be appear, that is heads. Okay, so what is the total number of outcomes? As it is having two sides, that should be in denominator, because it is favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes, right? So 2 is the total number of outcomes. And what is the favorable outcome? Okay, 1 out of the two sides. Okay, that is heads. Okay, 1 by 2. So the probability is 1 by 2, or in other words you can write this as 0.5. Okay, so as it is less than 1, because it is an uncertain thing. If it is a certain thing, then that will be equals to 1. Okay, so like this, any uncertain thing, the probability will be less than 1. Okay, if it is a certain thing, so then the value of the probability will be equals to 1. Okay, so this you need to remember. Along with this, in the previous topic of permutations and combinations, I have told you two important things, that whenever the AND statement comes, you have to multiply it, and whenever the OR statement comes, you have to add it. Okay, so you have to remember these two.